Trigonometry. Cos square minus b sin square minus a plus b. Theory. Cos square c minus sin square d. Cos c plus d. Cos c minus d. So cos a minus b plus a plus b. Cos a minus b minus m a plus b. Cos a minus b plus a plus b. B cutting. Cos twice a. Cos a minus b minus a minus b. Cos minus twice b. Theory. Cos square c minus sin square d. Cos c plus d. Cos c minus d. Cos twice a. Cos twice d. Proof. Was is realized and study profoundly. Please subscribe me. All of your progressive and civilizing me. Please subscribe me. I must be grateful to you if you subscribe me. Thank you very much. All of your progressive and civilizing. Thank you very much. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much.